Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download TradingView app on your PC. TradingView is a powerful charting platform that allows you to analyze financial markets, create charts, and much more. It's a very simple download process, so let's get started. First of all, on your computer, open up the Microsoft Store if you're using Windows, or App Store if you're using an Apple device. Here, I'm on my Windows computer, so I'm gonna open my Microsoft Store. Once you're in the store, head over to your search bar and type in TradingView and search for it. Here you will see the TradingView app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. It should have this logo. Here you can see the Get button right next to the app icon. Click on it to download this app into your computer. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will now automatically get installed in your device. Here you can see the open button. You can click on it to launch it on your computer. And there you go, the TradingView app is now successfully installed in your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.